Give him up my thing, man.
Oh my gosh, listen, wanting to be with someone who sees you as a friend can be a disappointing and sometimes agonizing experience. The good news is that people go from being friends to lovers all the time. And many long-term relationships have started from being friends first. In He Said, She Said this morning, we'll be sharing a few strategies to help you break free of the friend zone as proposed by www.mindbodyisthatgreen.com.
Well, they were listening to me, but we said that earlier, that, if you start as friends, it gets better and gets easier.
Much better.
They said get comfortable with rejection. They don't ever want to get comfortable with a rejection. It says getting comfortable with rejection is key to dating in general, and in this case, it will help you explore your options with this friend of yours without desperation or all or nothing thinking. When you can approach the situation with a cooler head, you'll be less prone to making missteps that hurt and actually push away the object of your affection. I don't know.
I think what it's saying is, if you get comfortable, so, okay, I'm going to try to come out of the friend zone, but if it doesn't happen, then it's okay. But some people kind of, well, I come out of the friend zone, and then the friend zone don't work, and I'm say, well, we can't be friends anymore because, and that's not fair.
No, I don't think so either.
Not fair.
What's the next one?
Make a move. You have to make a move. You're going to stay in the friend zone and see so many people pass you. First things first, have you actually made your interest in this person known? If you haven't tried a little flirtatious volley yet, start there to gauge the temperature. Sometimes a playful touch on the arm, a suggestive comment over drinks, or a little sensual eye contact is all you need to convey your interest and get something in return.
Wait, show me a sensual eye contact. Hold on. Do it again. Come in and think, let's see. Come Richard, say me, say, do it again. Now, if you do that, we run. If we see you do that, we don't say, thank you very much. You have a sister. I have something wrong with her.
Listen, I was watching a movie the other day. The guy literally had an engagement ring, and the girl's his friend. She was moving to another city to work, and he asked her father. Everybody know them supposed to get married, And my man go with her to the city. I know you never. He not take out the ring, So she come home and she say, I just met the man of my dreams. I said, Lord have mercy. This not going to turn out well. Until she and that person got engaged, I was like, guy, just say something.
But the make a move hooks up with comfortable with rejection because you don't know what might happen.
Yeah.
And I don't know about other men, but some men that I know will say, you kind of want to know that the person is also interested. So you don't want, I just sit down and say the whole day, I really want to set up something, but you haven't shown anything at all. So same way like I said, Niels, let me go eat a lunch. One time you can say, Niels, let me go eat a lunch. So I can say, wait. I wonder if I just the food she love or me she love.
That's important. But sometimes though, you can be friends with somebody and not realize that, wow, this person could be something more. So ask them,
I've had a relationship that we were very, very, very good friends before, and it was wonderful.
Excellent.
And actually, we didn't even realize that we were
coming together.
Kind of together. It's afterwards we say, wait. Read the room. In some cases, it may not actually be appropriate for you to suddenly make a move without a conversation first. That's the same thing I'm saying. That you kind of want a little hint. You go in the room and you see Daily, I look at me and I give me the...
You have to take your glasses off to get it right.
That was so funny. So read the room. You need to know where you can step, and you don't want to just boldly walk in and say, oh, me like you, come here, we're going the road. And you're going to say, we're not going any road.
You know what, too? Well, I think number 4 is the same thing like you were saying. Make a move. If you ever make a move, you have to make your feelings known. But sometimes you also have to be careful what you share. Just be real with your friends and make sure it's a real friendship. Because you can have a friend and every day you say, me don't want nobody. When really you do want to be in a relationship. Yeah. But because you say, me don't want nobody. Your friend might be interested, but he must say, well, she said she don't want nobody. So.
Well, I am a straight up person, It either work or it don't work.
Yeah.
But I'm a straight up person. I mean, not in your face, but
Yeah.
I'm going to come and say, boy, Dale, I'm like,
not
you know,
work.
more go up on the road with you still, you know. You know what I mean? I'm straight up. I'm not where I like Dale about my friend. I don't know if she, no, I mean, no, and I'm not going to feel no way if she said, no, me good, you know, me good. You know? So I am a straight up person. It either work or it don't work. And you're going to find out very quickly.
If it works or it
if it work or it don't work. So that is me. I am going to be right up front. I'll find out if something can happen. And if it can happen, then, you know, I mean, if you find out that you're married, then
that's not going to work.
No, it's not going to work. But if I figure it can happen, I'm going to find out very quickly whether it will happen or not. Avoid pressure, badgering. Yeah, no, I mean, you know that.
Yeah.
If at first you don't succeed, do not try again.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't agree with that. Because people can change, and I mean, it depends on how you approach the first time, and maybe you're vexed because this boy just coming in my face, so I mean, that, you know. And you can say, me like him. Yeah, I say, me like him still, you know, but me never like how him approach me. So maybe if I try a different avenue, a different way, it might can work. So I agree that if it don't succeed, you mustn't every single day. No, I agree with that. But I'm not going to say if you try one time and it don't work, you must just say, that's it, I'm going home. I don't agree with that.
Release your expectations. After rejection from a friend you're interested in, it's important to reframe your mindset around them. If you can release the need to actualize your attraction in a specific way, you can continue to enjoy the company of this person exactly as is. You don't need to stop liking them. You just need to remove the pressure and the ulterior motives so you can both focus on enjoying what you have. Is a tricky situation, because I've seen friendships where for one person, it's not going anywhere, but they literally have anchored the next person, like they want to go out. And so when the person says, you know, I like you like this, and they say, no, you also have to release the person to go find their happiness.
Yeah, because you will say, you're not dealing with me, but every Friday night you come and I say, Nev, come here, you go eat some food. And then next Friday, Nev, me have a little part.
Correct.
And I say, wait, you know, say,
yeah, you have to release the person so them can go find them happiness. Because next thing you see him go out and you cause problem with him and him lady, because good.
Don't play games. There's a lot of bad advice out there telling people in this position to start playing coy, withholding affection. In other words, them say don't play hard to get. If you are gettable.
You might play hard to get
and don't get nothing. Don't play hard to get. Again, with me, just be upfront.
Yeah.
Just be upfront. So as a daily I like it, I say, boy, I never it not gonna work. I know you're too long and we just stay friends. Fine. And I'll move on. I am not going to regret what I didn't do. What I'm not going to regret is every day I say, I want to tell Dale I'm like,
it would have got somewhere.
No, I'm going to tell her. Better she tell me, say, it's not going to
work. You see how long you should have tell me and you make it
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Flirt where appropriate, what that mean?
None of this is to say that you can't be a little playful or a little flirty with your friend. In some cases, even after rejection, some friends have a dynamic between them where a little flirting or openness about ongoing attraction can still be cute and entertaining.
Well,
that might be a little awkward, I think, though.
To be honest, yeah, but I'm a serial flirtist.
Okay.
Me flirt with every single person in life. Serious. Whether I have any ulterior motive or not. I just love it. I just love trouble people and see them respond. So I am a serial flirtist. And it actually gets me in trouble sometimes because people think I shouldn't be, you know.
But I was going to say that flirting too is that. Yeah. Some people take it a little bit past flirting into annoyance. Yeah, and that's the...
Yeah, but it's fun though, you know. I mean, I keep saying, boy, Dale, I love you and stuff like that. And, you know, some people might say...
But you're not offensive.
Yeah, and then some people, I say, you go on television and tell Dale that you love... I say, yeah, but I compliment me again.
But you're not offensive.
Yeah, I'm a friend, but some
you're not offensive.
Some other halves don't... not into the flirting thing. Stay confident. Well,
yeah.
Yeah, stay confident. You can convey your interest in someone without being desperate for them to return the feelings. You can get rejected and still keep your head held high. Yeah, I agree with that. If your friend is ever going to change their mind about dating you, it'll likely come from seeing you continue to thrive, being the same old fun and goofy self. That's the reason I said earlier that if it don't work the first time, I don't necessarily feel you must just say, all right, I don't.
Yeah.
No. I don't. If it don't work the first time, you're going to say, all right, I will call you later. I will talk about it. And you said, no, again. I said, I will call you tomorrow morning. No, that's not what I'm saying. But I don't think you should just back off because one time she said...
They might start seeing you in a different way. But if you're around them every day now and you say, I could go out and you...
Yeah.
I said, they blow your stiff up some, not me, all right. Then they say,
they say, all right.
Yeah.
Next one.
Expand your circle, hang out with a new group of friends, start dating other people, and lean into your hobbies and passions. By expanding your circle and focusing on other parts of your life, you'll find yourself more able to feel more authentically content about remaining friends with your crush for the time being. Yeah.
Take space from the friendship if necessary.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Yeah. Well, let me just a little bit how much of what we're saying, you know?
Yeah.
Because some people... If you hear no, like the call every night for go out, you might say, all right, me turn on that a little bit. Because you have me as a boyfriend, but you don't want me to be a boyfriend. So let me tune out that.
This last one is what I was saying. Let them come to you. As much as you might want to hack your way into being more than friends, at the end of the day, remember that only they can decide whether they're going to change their mind about you.
Correct.
Which, when I say let them come to you, I don't mean you must just sit back. I mean...
And play hard to get, and then you know I get nothing.
You still have to be there, you know? And you still have to make the other person know that you are interested. But you don't want... That's what I say. I mean, I would like to know, say, it's not only me alone like her. She like me too.
Important.
So at least we can have a discussion. And I say, well, maybe she don't like me as much as I like her. Maybe she don't like me the same way.
Yeah.
But if there is some kind of connection, then anything can go on. That was interesting.
That was interesting.
I like that.
If you got friends out there you want to make it more than friends, now's the time.
Okay, Sheena? Sheena said, We were talking about being more than friends, Sheens. And she didn't know anything about it. She didn't know how to move me. She had to say, like me never hear.
You never give her the sensual eye.
Yeah, that's that. Yeah, lick it again. If you do that to me, we get up and run. I say, they're sick. That's it for He Said, She Said, folks.